All right. Welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. I want to say at the top of the video that we're moving real quickly here. We're moving along nicely. We just crossed over about 345 subscribers. If you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button, bang that like button. Once we get to 500 subscribers, we do have a giveaway lined up. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we got a little bit larger giveaway lined up. We'll get there, but I want to focus on 500 just kind of in the immediate here. If you're watching this, you hear my voice, hit that sub button, hit that like button. We're moving nicely. We're going to increase the videos to about 3 days. I'm going to try to do about 3 videos a week here, so that we can put out some more content. I'm also, just because I'm a little bit backlogged when it comes to unboxing things, I have so many things to unbox. I do this, I work a job, I'm in school, I got a bunch of stuff going on. But I do want to grow this channel, so we're going to start putting out 3 videos a week of content. Stick with me, hang out, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the unboxing, okay? So let's move everything out of the way. We're going to get everything ready. And I want to pose something to you before we get into this. How big is too big? How large is too large? Okay, I have large wrists here. And this particular watch, I believe, is about 42 millimeters, and it's about 42, 43 millimeters. By the way, we'll do a quick wristwatch check while we're talking about this. This is my Brian Van Way customized Vostok Amphibia. As you can see, it's got the Brian Van Way and the Vostok logo on that custom band. I did unbox this. I'll leave a link in the description. I've kind of been wearing it every day. I really love this piece. Check that out. Link will be in the description below. But how large is too large? So this is about a 42, 43 millimeter. This is actually the sweet spot for me in terms of watch sizes. 42 to 43 is kind of perfect, okay? You have guys out there who say that a 40 millimeter watch is more of what they prefer. In fact, I've even known guys that will say a 39. 39 to 40 is kind of their sweet spot. Then you've got the guys that like a 48 to 50 millimeter watch. I want to know, in terms of, case size, obviously, what's your size? How big is too big? How small is too small for you? The smallest for me that I would say the smallest watch that I have in my rotation is probably gonna be about a 40. That is the absolute smallest. I can't really go below 40 just because, again, I have very large wrists. Like I said, 42 to 43 is gonna be the sweet spot for me. I want to know what's the sweet spot for you in terms of case size. Drop that in the comment section below. Let me know, because I'm actually very curious here. And now, as we move into our unboxing, right? This is kind of a watch that's on the larger side. I picked it up. I kind of wanted to see what it was going to look like on my wrist. We'll take a look here, guys. But keep in mind, this is a big one, okay? So let's bring it in. So now we've got Armitron, okay? And I did pick this up, just so you guys know. This is from WatchGang.com. Oh, my finger oil's on here. But this is from WatchGang.com, okay? This is it's from their wheel, so it's a wheel watch. It was about $50. That's about what we're into it for. And we're going to see what this entails. So just preemptively, because I'm going to put it on, I'm going to go ahead and get my Brian Van Way custom Vostok off my wrist, and let's dive into the box here, okay? So we'll take this off, and we've got, just padding here. It is kind of a just like some kind of soft sheen on the box here to make it feel nice. Let me see here. Not really any paperwork. Oh no, there we go. So you get a little bit of a book that has your limited lifetime warranty. Let me bring that in. Limited lifetime warranty and your instructions. So probably just telling you how to operate the watch. So very minimalist. Like I said, this is a $50 offering. So this is not going to be anything too crazy for this price point anyway. And we'll pop the foam out of here. And here's the piece here. So let's bring this in for some detail. So as you can see, this has that blue, very nice blue face. I think it looks very nice. Got a couple different things going on here. Looks like you got some layers and textures on that dial there. If you take a look at that, this is ticking, so it is a quartz movement. Obviously, it's a $50 watch. We weren't really expecting any crazy high-end automatic movement or anything like that. It does have a fixed bezel, so it cannot rotate here. So this bezel is fixed. And I want you to guess the size of this watch. just keep it in your mind. And then, like I said, in the comment section below, let me know what size is the sweet spot for you. What's the largest you'll wear? What's the smallest you'll wear? But also at the same time, let me know what you thought this one was before I tell you. So now here is the band. As you can see, we've got, looks like a brushed and a high polish kind of a situation going on there. We do have it signed. It does say Armitron on the back. Let's pop this open. Let's open that. Okay, so again, $50 offering. We weren't expecting any crazy high-end clasp or anything like that. Like I said, just still same brushed, polished, okay, or brushed. It looks like flanked by maybe some polish on the sides here. And the case back, let's see what that looks like. Okay, just like everything's standard. It's $50 offering. It's not anything too crazy. But let's see it on the wrist. And then I want to know what you guessed. Let me put it on my wrist. Now keep in mind, guys, I'm huge. I'm about 6'2". I'm about 6'2", 250. So I'm a big guy. But let's take a look here, and we're gonna see what this watch, how this wears on my huge wrist. Okay, there it is. You see that? That is huge. That is humongous. And I'm a big guy. Okay, I am a large guy, and I feel like this looks pretty big on me already. Let me do a little bit of an adjustment here before I spill the beans on the size. There we go. Bring it down just a little bit, a little more comfortable. And here we go. Look at that. That is a wrist cannon. That is huge. You look like you could fight someone with this thing on. But this particular watch, guys, is 52 millimeters. This is humongous, okay? As you see here, you do have this crown cover here. So let's take a look at that. I actually want to explore that a little bit before we get into the full specifications. So this is 52 millimeters. Okay, so this is, make no mistake, this is a big boy. But also it has this crown cover. So you put that down, you cover up the crown there. And, you know, it covers up the crown, keeps everything safe, but also it does offer kind of a cool look. You know, you've got that cool piece on the side there. That does look very interesting. So that's an interesting design piece there. That's, you know, has some function, but also is a bit, like I said, you know, adds to the design of the overall piece. So Armitron, stainless, blue face. You know, they don't really give them names. They just kind of have a like a model number. You know, Armitron doesn't really give names like that, but I think it's a piece that has a lot of character. I'd like to know what you think. Let's look at the specifications and we'll get out of here, okay? Let's go into the website. Now, I couldn't find it on the Armitron website for some reason. I did, however, find it on Kohl's. Now, Kohl's is a store that usually has stuff that's pretty cheap, so I'm actually surprised it was cheaper at Watch King. It's $87.99 here, and I think even at Walmart, I think it's about $75 at Walmart, which is typically where I see these Armitron watches. But it was cheaper at Watch Gang. So now, oh, your price. Well, looks like there's a 15% off. So your price is $74.79. But I'm assuming that's if you apply for something. Offer ends. Well, there are some details there. So it does say there are some details. So I'm assuming you have to probably apply for their store card or something to that nature. Let's get down to the specifications, okay? So here we go, product details. So we'll bring that in here. So as you can see, quartz movement, okay? You got a 26 millimeter bracelet on this. That is humongous. You know, I think normally 22 is kind of, you know, average here for a lot of pieces. 24, you know, on some larger pieces. This is a 26 millimeter bracelet. This is humongous. As you can see, it's quartz, battery powered. 50 millimeters water resistance, which is kind of funny because 50 meters water resistance, which is kind of interesting because it looks like it could be a, you know, 2,000 meters water resistance just because it looks so rugged and crazy and huge. It looks like a tank, but no, just 50. Obviously, like I said, this is an affordable watch. It's not going to have anything too crazy. But you know, but look, it's a very basic piece. It's a very normal, very standard piece. Definitely a weekend piece or more casual type of watch. Let me know, but I am curious to know what you guys think. How big is too big? Can you do a 52 millimeter? Let me throw it on my wrist here real quick, and then we'll get out of here. Just want to show you guys again. And I'm a big guy. Like I said, keep in mind, I'm 6'2", about 250. This sucker is huge. So could you pull this off? Could you wear this? Could you get away with this? It's almost comical with how big it is. Let me know. I want to know. What's your size? What size did you think this was? Drop that in the comment section below. Be the cool guy. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. We're going to be coming 3 times a week with videos. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. This has been Unbox and Chill. Thank you.